Hello everyone, this is Anita C. We're still in Penang for the Easter holiday. After we stay at one of the newest hotel in Penang, which is the Million Hotel, now we are staying at one of the oldest hotel in Penang, the Eastern and Oriental Hotel in Penang. I think the hotel was established in 1885, so very, very old. And it is kind of the signature hotel in Penang. Is kind of compared to the Peninsula in Hong Kong and the Raffles Hotel in Singapore. So we're in the Heritage Wing and we booked a 1-bedroom king suite. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour of our room. So when we walk in on the left, this is the living room area. So you can see the decor is very elegant. So despite what you think of the Heritage Wing is pretty old and dark, actually they maintain it pretty well here in the living room area. So this is the view facing the street, and this is the decor. So pretty nice decor. And then our welcome gift, including some snacks and a bottle of red wine. And according to the hotel staff, the mini bar is also included. So which they have all the soda, a beer and some juice. And it is replenished every day, so which is nice. So they also have a coffee machine and a kettle and some tea bags. Okay. Although some glasses are missing, they only got the mugs. Okay, so on the right hand side is actually the bathroom. So very interesting, is very similar to the decor that we stayed last time with the black and white tiles, double sink, and then with a nice bathtub, and then the rain shower as well. And this is the amenity. Okay, so coming right through is actually the bedroom. So the same decor continues. And actually we spotted, this painting and then the other painting on the other wall as well. Actually, we saw that in one of the museums, and it's the same series, so we're pretty excited to see the real piece in the hotel room. Okay, here on this side, I don't think we've turned on the light, so it's a little dark, but they have the corner here with all the windows. And then, because we're in the Heritage Wing, the 3rd floor is already the highest floor. So that's what we're staying at. Okay, and this is the king bedroom. The same good size, thick mattress, the linen and everything. Okay, I will try to see if I can turn on the light, or it doesn't matter. Okay, so actually there's no light, that's the sprinkler. So actually over on this side is the natural light from the window only, or the lamp here. Okay, so anyway, so this is the wardrobe. I actually put it out to show you. They have 2 bathrooms. And then this is the Eastern and Oriental Hotel, established in 1885. And this is the safe deposit box, the iron board. And let me put back the bathroom. right? And then this is the laundry. Okay. So they have one luggage rack, so I put one piece here and then the other piece over here. And this is a work desk, you know, with the work lamp. So to brighten this side of the room up with all the charger and everything. And actually, baby, because it's an older hotel, actually on this side, they do have the electrical outlet, but not as many as you would think in a newer hotel. And before I let you go, I just want to show you the benefit. Okay, so when we check in, we were told about the benefit that we have, including the breakfast, the complimentary minibar that I have just told you, the complimentary canopies from 6 to 7 p.m. that we have just tried, and I'm going to show you in the video later on, the launch assets as well, and the exclusive use of the Heritage pool and the Victoria Annex swimming pool. So we'll check out the pool later. And then choice of local newspaper, 20% discount on food and beverage. Okay, so actually we were going to have a lunch here, which is kind of included in our suite package, which is the Indian cuisine at the Palm Court. So, you know, a tiffin lunch, so it sounds very fancy. So we're going to do that and we'll show you everything. So again, stay tuned, and we'll show you everything on this Eastern and Oriental Hotel in Penang. Okay, so this is the E&O gallery. So it's like a museum of history about the E&O. Chicken for him.
Rice and papadom. Okay.
What is this again?
Chicken tikka masala.
Oh, is it very spicy?
Medium.
Medium, okay.
Prawn curry.
Yep,
Rice.
yep.
Aloo gobi. Yeah, same, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And papadom.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.